Hi there, and good evening, everyone. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Devon Energy? This is ticker DVN. Now, Devon was a major leader in 2021. If I zoom out here, you can see it had a massive run for a lot of 2021, spent most of last year chopping around and in consolidation. And as we start this year, we're just kind of, I think, putting in a bit of a bottoming formation here. We can see clear support right around this kind of $40 range, which coincides with some previous consolidation from back here in November of 2021. So we had a big breakout above, potential back test here. And today, as many of oil and gas has been kind of the only trade in town. A lot of everything is going down, but energy is up today. And Devon is acting nicely above the 50-day moving average. That's the red line here. Now, if I zoom out again and draw a bit of a line from the highs over here from October of 2022, we can see it's just kind of bumping up against a previous resistance zone from here, here, and now we're just underneath. And so what I want to see from Devon is a potential breakthrough of that level, maybe a bit of a back test just to make sure this move is real, and then a continuation higher. So that's the move I'm looking for on Devon. But first, I'd like to see it get above and stay above that $47 range and break above this clear downward sloping trend line coming on higher than average volume. So that's just one of many ideas that I'm looking at tonight at stockmarketmentor.com. Wanted to share it with you. And if you want to know what else we're looking at, take a trial. Click that link, stockmarketmentor.com, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.